For the position, we need to allow the user to select menu of different options. As you can see here, drop-down menu has 4 options that the user can select from: accountant, receptionist, administrator, and supervisor. Let's start with entering our input label. This is in the third row and the first column, and in the third row and second column we can write our select field, and to do so that we will be using select tags. Just do a bit of formatting. We need to give our select tags a name just like we did for input fields. This attribute is important. We will call it position. Now we can create our select menu option. Each option should be contained within the option tag. So let's go ahead and create 4 options. Just the tags for now. It will copy and paste 3 more times. Now with their option tags created, let's enter the option that the user will see the drop-down menu. The option tag also requires a value attribute. This attribute identifies the value that will be attached to each option. Let's say for example that the user inputs will be stored into a database that only allows 2 characters to identify which option user selected. In this case, the user will see option heading in full: accountant, receptionist, administrator, and the supervisor, but the values that get passed on to the PHP script will only be the first 2 letters of each option. So, to set the value attribute, we just type value equal to AC because the database can only store 2 characters, so we use first 2 characters for each option. And that's complete the first select menu. We will create the second one in the same way. So here, our next table row, insert the field label which is experience level, and we will copy this select menu and paste it into the column. We will call this experience, and we will just change these options. And looks like it. We don't need the fourth option. So I will just go ahead and delete that. And we will also change value that gets submitted to our PHP script. Let's go ahead, save this file. and preview in our web browser. There is first select menu we created and here the second one.